Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is CIBIL. Very important topic. CIBIL is the base of any loans now. Okay. So let's start. Before starting, one important part. Your JAIIB registration dates and exam dates are out. Everyone pay attention. The registration date from 1/3 it is starting, then all that you are having plus 100 minus plus 200, all these things without means with penalties, but starting from 1st of March, and your exam dates are from 7th of May. Remember, look at the date: 7th May, 13th May, 14th May and 21st May. 4 subjects compulsory. Okay, so that's why download Adda 24/7 app first. Okay, in this app you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes plus ebooks plus tests. Whatever you need for JAIIB you will be getting it over here. Okay, then also subscribe to Officers Adda YouTube channel, Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting the updates on JAIIB, CIBIL and various banking exams, plus free YouTube series you will be getting. Right now what are you seeing? It's a free YouTube series. Okay, these are the batches starting from February 17th. Okay, it's here. Now it's a high time. Exam is just how many? 2 months after, right? Just 2 months gap. So follow this, immediately join these classes. Okay, all the 4 subjects: PPB, IFS, AFF and retail banking, wealth. All of them are covered. Case studies, numericals, objective questions, whatever is required, done. So use the code Y432. Also the discounts are going on right now. Use discounts. 80% off is going on right now on Mahapack double validity. I'll come to that later. Okay, so what is the schedule today? What is the CIBIL, then functions and responsibilities, and then we'll be going for the objective questions. Okay, so let's start. What is CIBIL basically? Okay, CIBIL means what? It is Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Remember, CIBIL. Okay, is a privately owned company. Many of us feel CIBIL is a government company. No, it's a privately owned company which collects information on over 140 million credit card holders and loan takers. So it collects information on almost all the loan takers in the India. Now loan can be of various types. It can be credit card is also a loan. Home loan can be there, personal loan can be there, CC can be there, any loan can be there. So CIBIL collects the information from all those loan takers. And from where will it get the information? It will get the information from the banks and financial institutions. Remember, banks and FIs. The company was originally promoted by SBI. Okay, Housing Development Corporation of India, means combination SBI, HDFC, Dun & Bradstreet and TransUnion. So these are the 4 companies which came together to promote CIBIL. Okay, names are very important because one of the names will be asked to you in exam. Mean they'll ask you Dash was a company who promoted CIBIL. So either of these names will be given, and then 3 wrong names will be given. So all these 4 names you have to remember: SBI, HDFC, Dun & Bradstreet and TransUnion. Easy to remember, isn't it? So let's move on. CIBIL is India's first credit information bureau. Remember, first. Okay, India's, it's not world's. Okay, India's first credit information bureau. Then which is world's first credit information bureau? Do you know anything? Very simple answer. See this Dun & Bradstreet, which is a part of CIBIL, which are promoting the CIBIL. This company was the first credit information bureau in the world. Okay, then CIBIL is in India, first credit information bureau in India. This credit information bureau was formed on the basis of recommendations of the working group constituted by RBI. So RBI gave the recommendation that we need to have a credit bureau which will give the information about all the loan takers, who are the good loan takers, who repay timely, who don't repay timely, everything. Okay, the bureau provides positive and negative information about the bank's borrowers, which empowers lenders in assessing the credit worthiness of the potential customer. So positive and negative both are provided. If somebody is having a negative score, so it will be provided as a negative score. So bank can be averse from giving some loan to that person or that institution. CIBIL shares relationships with the banks based on the concept of sharing. Now, what do you mean by sharing? See, this logic is very simple. Bank will be a member of CIBIL, and bank will provide information to the CIBIL that these are our loan takers who are repaying regularly, these are your EMIs being paid regularly, and then CIBIL will also share the information with these banks. These are the other customers. So it shares the common information among all the members. Okay, but you should be a member of CIBIL. Only then it will share. Okay. They collect the credit information available from financing institutions which are its members. Here it's written financing institutions. Financing institutions can be banks, can be NBFCs, can be anyone. Anyone who is a member of CIBIL will provide information to the CIBIL, and CIBIL will in return provide its information to this. So it's a mutual give and take relationship. Okay. CIBIL is a composite credit bureau which will cater to both commercial and consumer segments. Here, this is very important. Many of us feel that CIBIL will give only personal scores, you, me, any individual, but no. CIBIL gives the score for commercial segments also, companies also. The Consumer Credit Bureau covers the credit taken by the individual. See this, Consumer Credit Bureau. These questions may be asked to you. Consumer Credit Bureau, individuals. While the Commercial Credit Bureau will cover credit taken by non-individuals like partnership, proprietary, private limited and public limited companies. Okay. So commercial will cater to commercial. This consumer will cater to individuals. Got it? Clear this concept, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now type yes in the comment section if you have understood. Everyone type yes if you have understood up till now what is CIBIL, what is the commercial bureau, what is and this consumer bureau. Got it? This is only important. And who are the members who have formed a CIBIL. Okay. So these are the two new batches starting from February 17th. English and bilingual. All the 4 subjects PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking are covered. All the numericals, case studies, question banks, test, everything is, you'll get it over here. Okay. Use the code Y432. Presently I'll tell you 80% off is going on, 80%, and on Mahapack there is double validity. What is Mahapack? I'll tell you that also. What is Mahapack? Multiple batches in single fees. Okay. Mahapack. So 80% off on the batches and Mahapack in this double validity going on. I'll tell you that later. Okay. Let's come to the question time now. What is the question? Question time means now I'll be asking you, you'll be answering it. Consider these all options as A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay. Let's start. A high CIBIL score essentially means dash probability of default. Means a high CIBIL score. If I'm having a high CIBIL score, then will I default? The chances of my default are more or less. So that is the option. Means high probability of default, less probability of default, no relation and cannot say. So what is the option? A, B, C or D? Which one? Fast, fast, fast. Yes. So simple, isn't it? It is less probability of default. A high CIBIL score, here it's simple. High score equals to less chance of default. Okay. And vice versa. Reverse one is also true. Means less score equals to high chance, right, of default, but obvious now. Okay. So got it? So high CIBIL score means less chance of default. Okay. Next one. A practice of checking CIBIL score personally is known as, means it's like this. Suppose if I'm feeling bored, okay, check CIBIL score. Just go to whichever website, check CIBIL score. Again after 1 week I'm feeling, oh, let me check my CIBIL score again. Again going to CIBIL and checking it. Again after 1 month, again checking the CIBIL score. So this practice is known as what? Dash. As opposed to credit card issuers asking CIBIL for your score means credit card company is asking for CIBIL, and personally if I am asking for CIBIL, so that is known as what? So personally is known as dash, and a credit card issuers asking is known as dash. So what is that option? Soft inquiry for personally, hard inquiry for credit card. Good inquiry for personally, bad inquiry for credit card. Good cold inquiry for personally, hot inquiry for credit card, and none of the above. So what is the correct option? When I check my CIBIL score personally, it is known as everyone. Type fast. Okay, just type the options A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. Okay, type the options. So if I check the score personally, it is known as, yes, correct. Correct option is A. If I check the score personally, it is known as soft inquiry. If credit card company asks for my score, it means hard inquiry. Hard means I'm trying to get some credit card. Soft means I'm just doing the time pass. Let me see what is the score. Okay? Yeah. That is very bad. Remember, do not go on checking these credit scores always. Once in a year it's okay. Of course, it is given clarified by RBI that it won't affect your credit score at all if you go on checking it constantly. Then also it won't affect, but it's a bad habit. Okay. If someone do not borrow, you do not have a credit history, and therefore no credit bureau can assign your score. Now, what do you mean by this? Suppose if there are many persons in India who have not borrowed at all. Loan is very bad. Right? This is a concept given in our minds. Loan is very bad. I'll just write it because this is the worst thing can happen. Loan is bad. Okay? So this is the worst thing. It is totally wrong. Loan is bad is totally wrong. Loan is good. Only repaying on time should be happening. If you don't repay on time, then loan is bad. Okay? Take only that much loan which you can repay, and importantly the loan which you take should be used for fruitful purpose, productive purpose. Only then take the loan. Don't take the loans for your consumer purpose or personal gains. Holiday, going for tour, loan taken, very bad. Taking loan for buying some property, very good. Okay? Or means anything, use it for productive purpose. So now the question is, if someone does not borrow at all, he may not have the credit history at all. How will he have the credit history? No credit, no history. Therefore, no credit bureau can assign your score. Nobody will be able to assign your score because your score doesn't exist at all. So in that case, what happens? You might find it easy to get a loan. You might find it difficult to get a loan. No effect of borrowing, not borrowing anything, no effect. And none of the above. So what is the option? A, B, C, D. Okay? Give me fast. A, B, C or D. You might find it easy or difficult to get a loan if you don't have a credit history at all. You have not borrowed at all. So what will be the option? Correct. The option is B. You might find it difficult. So that's why you should always have some loan, and that loan should be repaid on a regular basis. Only then you will have a good credit history, and that will give you a chance of getting more loans in future. Okay? What is the minimum CIBIL score? 200, 300, 400, 500. What is the minimum, least CIBIL score? Any worst person will have that much CIBIL score. Yeah? That is everyone. Yeah. It is minimum 300. Right? Minimum is 300. Now many of you will say, sir, we are having in our banks -1 also to some customers. So that -1 means this person is not having the history. So here your bank will give you a score of -1 because he has not borrowed at all. He or she has not borrowed at all. Okay? So what is the minimum CIBIL score of any person? 300. If any person is not repaid, everything has gone bad, he is constant non-defaulter, then also minimum score will be 300. Okay? What is the maximum CIBIL score then? 6, 7, 8 and 900. So what is the maximum CIBIL score? Maximum. Everyone? Yeah? It is 600? Some of you are writing 800. No, 800 is not the maximum CIBIL score. Maximum CIBIL score is 900. Maximum. Okay, so the range of CIBIL lies between 3 to 9. Now your question will come, if this is lowest means bad, worst score. Okay, 300 is the lowest. This is the best score. So what is the middle one? Maximum is this, minimum is this. So what is the good score then? So now next question is that only. What is the good CIBIL score? 600 to 700, 700 to 800, 800 to 900. B and C means A, B, C and D. So which is the good CIBIL score? Means anyone with this score, if that person comes to you, whom will you give the loan? What is the correct option? Yeah, the correct option is A, B, C, D. I'll write this okay over here. A, B, C and D. So what is the correct option? A, B, C, D? Correct. Option is D, both B and C. Why? Because 7 to 8 is a good score, 700 to 800, and 800 to 900 is also a good score. 600 to 700 is not a good score, but many of the banks give the loans on 600 to 700 also, if it's a collateral loan. See, our personal loans are very difficult on this score. But if it's a collateral loan, collateral means I'm having some house as a collateral or something, housing loan, everything. So there banks give the score on this score also. But from exam point of view, what is the good CIBIL score? The best answer is always B, 700 to 800. But if somebody is with 800 to 900, he is even better than this B, because his score is good, isn't it? So that's why we have both the answers over here. Okay. In exam, they will give you mostly this answer, 700 to 800. Because generally almost 70% of Indian score lies between 7 to 800. Okay. Now, I was telling you about this code Y432 and 80% discounts. Let me show you that. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live. Okay. One sec. Let's go to Adda. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra on that coins. Okay. There's a coin system in apps. Go for that. That's a good one. 1% extra is a good amount, isn't it? So you go to Adda 24/7, say this. Once you go there, you'll on the front page itself, see here, just type adda247.com, and on the front page you'll get this JAIIB and CIBIL. Click on JAIIB, CIBIL. Okay. Once you click on this, see this. Click on the JAIIB, CIBIL. Now you see this. Once you click on JAIIB, CIBIL, you'll see this. JAIIB 23, CIBIL 23, JAIIB, CIBIL Mahapack. I'll show you both. Okay. JAIIB, CIBIL Mahapack and this. See, first click on JAIIB 23. Here you'll get the batches. See this. These batches. February 17th starting batch. English bilingual. If you want to join English, you can join English. Okay. If you are comfortable in Hindi, or you can join bilingual also. So click on JAIIB English. Okay. You'll see the details over here. Details means what are the dates, what are the timings, what are the study materials, what are the study plans, okay, what are the subjects covered. Then importantly, I'll tell you, recorded 24/7 videos are available. Means if you miss out any class on any day, then definitely you can get back using the recorded sessions. Live two-way interactive classes means you can ask the questions there and then itself. E-books are available, tests are available. So what all do you need extra? Nothing, isn't it? Okay. Now again, look at the fees part. 19,999. Click on view offers, check the discounts. Put the code Y432 here. Never forget this code Y432. Click on apply. See this. Now 19,999 reduces by 80%. If you are on the app, you'll get 1% extra. There's a coin system, good coin system. Okay. 1% extra you'll earn. So even if you get 80%, you are getting 3,999. 19,999 reduces to 3,999. Such a huge discount you are getting. Okay. In fact, I was talking about Mahapack, isn't it? What was that Mahapack? Mahapack is like this. See this. There are multiple batches. Multiple means how much multiple? 15 batches. See this. I click on JAIIB, CIBIL again on the front page only. Click on JAIIB, CIBIL Mahapack. Okay. Now you can go for this. See this. JAIIB, CIBIL Mahapack or only JAIIB Mahapack. I'll tell you the benefits of both. If you go for JIB CIB Mahapack, the best thing is this Mahapack is available right now under discounts. Okay, there you are getting 15 plus batches for JIB, 15 plus batches for CAIB, 500 plus case study batches, 30 full length mock tests. So you're getting multiple things over here. Of course, recorded videos are there. Okay, so these all batches, all the subjects are given to you. So now you will tell me, sir, I'm in JIB. Why should I buy this JIB CIB? Because here you click on you buy JIB package and complete package of JC. What will happen? Imagine you will clear this exam by May, JIB exam. Okay, if you clear it in May, then you are having this pack for 24 months. See this 12 plus 12. So if you clear it, join this today, you will be having it for 2 years. And if you clear JIB right now in May, remaining 1.5 year you can use the same package for CIB. And what is the fees? Now look at the fees. Okay, to fees also 53,996. Now look at the discounts. Again you'll get put the codes. See here, put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 53,996 reduces to 10,799. That is for 2 years, 24 months. So per month it comes to what? Less than even 600 rupees, right? So it's a huge discount going on, and it's an investment for lifetime. I would suggest you should go for JIB CIB Mahapack. Okay, why am I stressing on these batches? Because look at this, the portion for JIB has changed now. Even CIB, both JIB CIB portion has changed. So let's check the JIB portion. I'll just show you. Okay, say this 4 compulsory subjects. Earlier you had 3. Now the compulsory subjects are Indian economy and Indian financial system, principles and practices of banking, accounting and financial management for bankers, and retail banking and wealth management. Means 4 compulsory subjects. These 2 are new ones, Indian economy and retail banking. Okay, negative marking has been removed. So that's why see here what happens due to these new subjects, and even the portion of PPB and accounts is changed to some extent. So that's why you will be needing a guide, a mentor, someone, so that you can sail through the exams properly. Okay, so join the batches ASAP. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.